Dear students, this video lesson is about the types of the adsorptions. There are mainly two types of the adsorption of the gases on the solids. Adsorption means it is the accumulation of the gas on the surface of a solid. Okay, then the types of the adsorption may classified into two types: physical adsorption and the chemical adsorption. Physical adsorption is also called the physisorption. Chemical adsorption is called the chemisorption. Physical adsorption means the accumulation of the atoms or the molecules on the surface of the solid occurs by the account of weak van der Waals forces. That is called as the physisorption. Then chemisorption. Chemisorption is what? The accumulation of the gas molecules or the atoms. They are held together on the surfaces by the chemical bond. Here the chemical bond takes place. Here the accumulation of the molecules on the surface of the solid. This is by the weak van der Waals forces, and this one is by the strong chemical bonds. This chemical bond may be a covalent bond or the ionic in nature. The chemical adsorption involves the high energy of the activation, but the physical adsorption is a weak van der Waals forces in the sense that involves the low energy of the activations. The chemical adsorption is also called as the activated adsorption because the activation energy required high. Here, in case of physical adsorption, only the gas molecules accumulated on the surfaces by the weak forces. But chemical adsorption, that can form the bond with the surfaces. That binding site forms the bond with the surfaces. That is a chemical adsorption. Let us learn the difference between the physisorption and the chemisorption. Physisorption occurs due to the van der Waals forces, weak forces. Chemisorption occurs due to the chemical bond. Physisorption is a reversible in nature because whenever the gas molecules are allowed to accumulate on the surface of the solid, it gets easily dissolved also because there are presence of the weak forces. But chemisorption is irreversible because whenever gas molecules are allowed to strike on the surfaces, these gas molecules do not dissolve because it is held together by the strong forces. Strong bond means accumulation of the gas or the atoms they may held on the surfaces by the strong chemical bond. They do not get dissolved. So the chemical adsorption is irreversible in nature. Physisorption is a not specific one. Chemisorption is a specific one. Why physisorption is a not specific? There is a lack of specificity is there because a given substance of an adsorbent, it does not show any particular gas that can be held on the surfaces. The gas molecules held on the surfaces by the weak van der Waals forces. So it is not specific. This is specific one because the gas molecule accumulated on the surface of the solid by the strong chemical bonds. It is specific one. Here the enthalpy of the adsorption is low here because the presence of the weak forces. Here the enthalpy of adsorption required high here. More liquefiable gases are adsorbed readily. Here the gases which forms the compound with adsorbent, it alone undergoes the chemisorption. The physisorption decreases with increases in the temperature. Chemisorption increases with increases of the temperature. Because the chemical, it will be spread over the entire surfaces whenever increases of the temperature. Low temperature is favorable in physisorption. High temperature is favorable in chemisorption. In physisorption, high pressure favors the physisorption, and decreases of pressure it will causes the desorption also. But the desorption is not possible here. The high pressure is favorable, but the decreases of the pressure it does not cause the desorption here. Results in the multi-layer phenomena. The gas molecules allowed to strike on the surfaces by the many molecular layers called the result in the formation of multi-molecule. But chemisorption involves the formation of the oxide layer on the surfaces that forms only unimolecular or the monomolecular layer. Physisorption, in this no activation energy is needed. But here the high activation energy is needed. So chemisorption is also called the activated adsorption. It is a instantaneous. At a particular time, at a particular instant, it suddenly physisorption occurs. But chemisorption is a slow process. Example, oxidation of iron means rusting of the iron is a slow process. Chemisorption is slow process. Physisorption is instantaneous process. So this is about the physisorption and the chemisorption. These two are the types of the adsorption.